It's such a great experience every year that I have participated. I like exposing the kids to the McNay and the works that are there.
The spotlight is like everybody pitches in and like everybody puts their own creative idea in it as their own. I think that's pretty cool.
What I love about Spotlight the most is the collaborative aspect. It is such a learning, rich unit of study for these kiddos.
I'm just painting the leaves that I picked outside.
For the paintings, we used the same color scheme as Georgia O'Keeffe did for her Leaf No. 2 painting.
I think it's a great opportunity for students to come out and get their artwork displayed in an environment that they're probably not used to. And so they kind of really see what it is to be an artist and get their artwork, in a gallery.
We are a few of the Holy Cross artists that wanted to present our art to you. We found a lot of inspiration in this project, and we're honored to be part of this, and we realize this is something great to do, and we hope you enjoy it.
It's one thing, and so it seems very limiting because it's one thing. But as you kind of dig deeper into what it is, you're able to branch off, and now there's no limit as to what you can portray from them.
Okay, this is my third year of being in the Spotlight exhibition with the McNay, and it's an opportunity for the girls to be at the museum. Maybe many of them have never really seen themselves as museum goers. And it's also an opportunity for the girls to start taking themselves seriously as artists and people who are creative.
It's an orchid that I found at my grandpa's house. Looking at Georgia O'Keeffe's work, it made me look in depth on other things that not a lot of people would pay attention to, and that was basically what she did. I remember her saying something like, it isn't until we put a lot of emphasis into something that we fully know the meaning of it, and I feel like that isn't just representative on art, and it's like a life lesson.
Well, it's kind of like the story of it's like the leaf blowing in the wind, so it's kind of showing the leaf how it's delicate and still can move through the wind.
We are working on the quote that Georgia O'Keeffe said, and it's to create one's world in any of the arts takes courage.
Mr. Asher said that I could write a little piece instead of drawing or painting because I'm not really a painter or a drawer. But so I picked diminished and augmented and seventh chords, which are more warm sounding, and that just reminds me of a childhood based sound, and that's what the photo really reminded me of, was my childhood.